Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this easy last-minute cactus costume. For the materials, you'll need a green sweater, green pipe cleaners, a hot glue gun, cutters, a headband, and a pink flower. First, cut the pipe cleaners into thirds. Then take one of the cut pipe cleaners and push each end of it through the sweater from the inside. After that, twist the pipe cleaner a couple of times to keep it in place. This creates one of the spines of the cactus. Continue this around the sweater. After that, cut off the top of the flower. Hot glue it off-centered on the headband. And that's it! It's really so easy, and if you're short on ideas for what to be for Halloween, this is the perfect solution. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching!